I just asked ChatGPT what is the prediction for Bitcoin, and you would not believe what price he gave me. And I will tell you all about what I think about this prediction, and I will also add my analysis to it. I will also talk about what I am doing right now, and I believe we are getting very close to the accumulation zone, but it is a very crucial area for Bitcoin that USDT dominance confirms it, that we need to still see a breakout for Bitcoin to get completely bullish again. So stay with me, and thank you very much for your support in my previous video. Thank you very much for all of you guys. I even got a lot of comments from the people who had never commented before. I really appreciate it. I'm talking about this video. If you did not watch this yet, you don't have to, but honestly, when I wanted to make my yesterday's video about technical analysis, I just looked at my views and I was like, this page is just not getting anywhere, you know. Although I've been getting a lot of subscribers lately, and thank you guys for all your support, but I really got so many comments and you guys gave me so much hope and so much excitement. So I will be making more videos for you guys. I did not honestly know most of you guys even existed in my channel. By just commenting, you cared enough to comment, and I am very grateful to have you. I want you guys to know this. But as a human being, sometimes I get tired too, you know. So do not judge me, and I do not want you to think that this is all about money. This is because I am spending at least 2 hours a day to make these videos, to edit them for you. I try to make them different for you. I take your suggestions, I try to consider them, and when I do not really see more than 300 views, it is very disappointing. So I hope you do not mind me being a human being, but I am really grateful for all your nice comments. And somebody really slapped me with a harsh truth. He commented, and I really still appreciate him. He was just honest with me, and he reminded me that yes, that is a harsh truth about this life. Nobody really cares what you do. But he commented that with all due respect, nobody cares, bro. Unsubbed. I was like, okay. I just commented. I said, good luck, man. But thank you again. I got over 60 of you, I think, commenting very nice comments, and thank you for all your support. And I just keep going down. I almost have replied to all of you. I have got a couple more. I'm going to reply to those too. But this wasn't going to be a whining video, but I just wanted to share with you. I really need your likes, and thank you for giving that 99 likes. But I really need you guys to just take that moment and just hit the like button, and that because YouTube doesn't know. YouTube is just a bot. They are set up on algorithm. It will know that you like this video, you want me to make more videos. If you like the video and you hit that share button and give it to more people, so it will push to more people so they can see my videos, right? So again, I just wanted to remind you and thank you so much for being here, and I will try my best to come back with better videos. But as I said, I am a busy guy, that this is all I can do now, okay? But I'm trying my best to become a better video maker and editor, okay? So I want you guys to know that. So I asked ChatGPT. I just put a screenshot. I took this screenshot from Binance on TradingView. This is the Binance chart, and this is the US dollar, Bitcoin US dollar trade. So I took this screenshot. I sent it to to ChatGPT, and I don't know why I said he, but he replied to me with some information. You guys can pause and read it yourself. I'm gonna go slowly on it, okay? And you can just pause as I go down, but I'm gonna read the important ones, okay? Usually it says, I'm gonna talk about this number one. It says post halving bull run, a strong rally after the halving event, typically lasting about 12 to 18 months. So if this, I'm going to show it in the chart. So if we had this halving around April, around this area, right, we should still have time until we consider 1 year to, so this would be almost 1 year, okay, and up to 1.5 years, which I will consider it up to almost end of the year 2025, right? I don't know where this is. There we go. So this would be our time that we should expect bull run to continue. And this would be the most money being made in the bull run, because retail would be back, hopefully, if Bitcoin starts rallying, gets away from this freaking all-time high that we are tired of seeing it going sideways for over 6 months now. And hopefully, as I said, around this area, guys, I gave you $50,000 to $52,000 area of accumulation. But to be honest, if I want to look at the USDT dominance, and this is the monthly chart, okay, I do not like what I'm seeing in the monthly chart, and the reason is, I'm going to put this aside. This is the box that we have been ranging going up, okay, but you guys see that every time we have these red candles going up, the greens have been going on up to top of it, okay. So what does that mean? What does that concern? Okay, it makes me concerned that we might even go to all-time high of USDT dominance, which will be at least 8%. We are almost on 6%. And if you guys remember, I can go to lower time frames, and in the regular chart, just the candles, you guys see that on the monthly chart, I said that I hope we will not pass through this green candle. That will be the area that you guys see so far. September closed the monthly chart below it, so we can still be hopeful that this is just another pullback for USDT dominance up to this green candle, and hopefully September is gonna go back down. It's still closer on this area, and we will keep going down, okay. But if we go up, guys, I do not like to say this, I will need to just look at my portfolio to just keep going down, and it's going to be almost same for yours, okay, because we just need to accept that this is literally like a DXY. If we keep going up, Bitcoin will go down. That means the percentage of the USDT will rise, because money is getting out of altcoins and Bitcoin and getting into a percentage of USDT dominance. It's just that simple. And if you guys remember, I had this line. I said we're gonna start pulling back from here, and we exactly started it. We did not quite touch it, but it was exactly around the area that I had this line, okay. So to be honest, so far I am still hopeful, and it is going with the plan that we are seeing here. I still gave you this, that I am expecting the accumulation area to be around this 50, 52, 53, 54, around this area, so we can go just sideways. And take this word from me, even my members, I'm gonna make another video for members, a special video for them. We have our plans of accumulation more altcoins, but this can be the lowest we should go. We should go with the plan, with what I'm seeing, okay. But we need USD to give us that thumbs up, to give us that confirmation that, hey, I am getting rejected around this green level and I'm going down, so I'm gonna pour into altcoins and I'm gonna get bearish, so Bitcoin and altcoins are gonna get bullish. This is the opposite correlation, okay. But so far we got the support. We are still going higher, and if I want to show you guys with the Heikinashi, you guys see that for the last 2 months we are still bullish on USDT. If you haven't watched, go ahead and watch my video that I showed you in Heikinashi, how we can look at how bullish and bearish the chart is. You guys see top of these candles we did not have any wicks. That's why we kept going down. That was a pressure on USDT's dominance to go down. But now you guys see the opposite. It is going up, and there is no other candle in between to stop the candles in here to get that rejection area. We have this small red candle. That's where I'm hopeful that it's gonna get USDT rejected around this area. But so far, even if I change it to weekly, it is still showing this week it started as being bullish for USDT. But again, we see, you guys see that red, green, red. That's why we are seeing going. We are having a lot of rejection for USDT dominance, and that's why we are seeing a lot of support. Every time we go down, we get bought up for Bitcoin. But you guys see that altcoins keep bleeding. But again, when hopefully when we go up to this level, hopefully, and I'm gonna tell you what ChatGPT said would be the top, and I was surprised to be quite honest. You guys can pause and read if you want. You can ask the same question. This is the question I asked from ChatGPT after I sent that screenshot. Okay, you can read it, but in here it says that the potential cycle peak around Q3 of 2025. Okay, so we almost have one more year to go, and see Bitcoin reaching a range of $120,000 to $180,000. Okay, so if we want to go back to the chart, it will get us somewhere around 120. We'll be here up to 180. I mean, that would be awesome. That would be awesome if we get Bitcoin to reach to that level. But is it realistic? It's hard to tell, honestly. Okay, because if I want to go back to USDT dominance and we zoom out, we have to see USDT getting rejected again here, and start going down. We pass and break through. We get back to this level, and I can promise you from now, before we even get there, we're gonna have this green level, same as what I gave you in this area. We saw this rejection from all-time high of Bitcoin when we had the most crash for USDT dominance. We started crashing for Bitcoin since we got to this level of USDT, and USDT started rising. So now we need to be hopeful that we do not pass above this green level. That's a no-no area for us. We do not want this. If we break above, guys, that's just going to be another bloodbath for September and even later. Okay, so we're not going to see the bull run we want to see for this cycle. So we're going to probably go back down, break through, which is not going to be out of expectation this time because we already touched it and we went back up. We got that rejection. We can go back down and break through, and the next step would be around this area for me. Okay, because I can see that we had this rally. I'm repeating some of this. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe, and please take a moment to hit that like button if you guys like what you see and you appreciate this kind of content. So now we need to break through, and that would get us to 2.45% of USDT dominance, which we will crash from 6%. That will be a lot of billions of dollars from USDT going to, Bitcoin and altcoins. And this is we're talking about percentage. So the bigger the market gets, the percentage can be still the same. So the balance can still work as the same percentage. I don't know how to explain it, honestly. I know what I'm saying, but I just don't know how to explain it. But so I'm still hopeful that we're gonna get back down here. And if we honestly want to just consider how much money we're gonna get poured into this market if we go back down, and if we consider we're gonna start crashing for USDT from this level, I'm gonna bring it down. We're gonna get back to these levels again, and we can double the amount we started going up from this level. So if we just kind of consider where we started growing, we started growing from here, right? From here to here, we can just double this. And if we go down and make a rectangle here up to this level and just kind of double this. Let me double check something really fast. Yes. So from where we're gonna start growing, hopefully it will be down here, and that would get us almost $245,000. Is it realistic to me? We hope so, but that's a big return here. We're talking about from $57,000 up to $250,000. And we're talking about the 6 months of like sideways. That's a lot of range. And we feel, even if we're gonna want to consider it, but I want to talk about something else too. Every time you guys see that, I chose Binance on purpose because Binance has a lot of decent volume in its trading volume. And I want to ask your opinion, comment down below about this part, and just mention what you think about this. Every time we had huge pullbacks for Bitcoin with the high red volume bar, we started consolidating and start going higher, right? You can clearly see it on here in the last mid cycle of the bull run that we had. Same around here. We had a big amount, we had a huge enough bar getting up, getting out of all of these volume bars, and we had rally up, but this one was small, right? There was another one which was, this is the bottom for this Bitcoin cycle that we had, right? The bear market that we had. So this big red volume, and then we started going high, right? But now, unfortunately, and weird enough, if you ask me, we're not seeing anything like that anymore. And that is what is concerning me, because this doesn't look like a legit volume, and we're seeing a bunch of big red and green bars in here, and we're just dying here. But if you want to really go back to the other cycle that before that we had, unfortunately I'm not seeing that much, but this is what this area is what we need here to just analyze it together, right? So you guys see that the volume was dead around this area too. But as we got to the all-time high, which was around this area, about $19,000, which was the last cycle in 2017, we had the top of $19,000, right? And as we got to the all-time high, we had almost 1 month of consolidation, or just going sideways a little bit with a little bit of higher highs. You guys see that the volume started picking up, right? And we started just having the real bull run. Altcoins started rallying and all that, right? But we do not see the same thing around this area. That's what I don't like to see. And again, I am buying around this area. I do not care, honestly. I'm taking my risk. None of these are financial advice. This is what I'm doing, and I'm telling my members to do if they want to, okay? This is what I'm doing, because and you guys need to watch and manage your money yourself, okay? You should need to take your own responsibility on everything. But I'm still hopeful that we're gonna get rejected and the real bull run is gonna start. That's why I'm not really expecting BTC to go any crazy lower than around 53, even 53, $54,000. Down to this area, because this red candle, as I mentioned, I'm gonna zoom in more. You guys see that around this red candle is the hope I'm having, which will match. Let me get rid of this, just messing with me. And you guys see that this red candle is the same as what we had USDT for going sideways, a little bit. And everything matches in here. We cannot ignore these three charts. Even BTC dominance that I gave you, I'm still leaving this red line in here for where we had our previous bull run for altcoins. It's the BTC dominance. I am still seeing, if you guys remember, I've been having this here, and I've been saying that I am still expecting BTC dominance to get up to 61%, and that is the rejection area to me. That hopefully BTC is gonna stop messing with altcoins, and once it's gonna start crashing and rejecting, we're gonna see the huge bull run for an altcoin season, and that will be the area where, because BTC hopefully by just starting getting consolidation around these areas, 54, 53, 55, and if you guys remember, I expected to go down here around this area, but if you match it with USDT, we are almost around the area. We need to stop. We need to see USDT stopping to go any higher. But as I said, still looking for high Kanashi chart. I am still seeing bullishness for USDT, and that's what concerns me. But hopefully, if BTC starts consolidating around, this is the best opportunity for me, for me, sharing with you guys to get into altcoins that I want. And I'm not, I wish I had hundreds of thousands of dollars so I would get into top 100 coins, which they are known and more trustable. But I have a lot less money, so I have to get into micro cap coins to be hopeful to get into 50, 60 coins of like different coins. So hopefully I can find the next Solana, BNB, and all those big, like crazy big coins, big coins, large cap coins, right? So now I am getting into buying from even here. Okay, this is the plan I'm doing. So this is the plan I'm doing, and once BTC hopefully gets above this rejection area that I even gave you the signal again, around $64,000, $65,000, we get above this area, we're gonna be hopeful that we're gonna see the crazy bull run start. So we are not that far away. We need to start, and I'm gonna show you this too. And I really want you guys to pay attention here. And stay tuned. I'm going to talk about, in my next video, I'm going to talk about the percentages quarterly, and I'm going to get into smaller, and I'm going to talk about monthly returns in average. We're going to look at the medians, and we're going to look at the average. We're going to look at every year. We're going to look at what should be our favorite month, that we should be the most hopeful and most bullish for Bitcoin. And we're going to look at weekly, monthly, quarterly, daily, all of that. We're going to look at every single one of these. So make sure, if you're not subscribed, stay tuned, subscribe, hit the notification, and join the free Telegram group, because YouTube for some reason does not push the video to even the subscribers. So I had a couple of my subscribers saying that they're not getting any of my notifications when I post any video on YouTube. So make sure you're on Telegram so you get that notification from me, because I share that in that page so you can see and watch it. Okay, so far we're going to talk about this one in so much detail. Okay, so it's still ChatGPT. I'm not going to take your time just explaining all of that. These are good information. Do I trust it 100%? No. Okay, this is just a bot, but we shouldn't really just ignore it either, because it's a bot that gets a lot of information from Google, from all the articles it can search. So it is smart enough to give us a little bit of good information. Okay, so now we are hopeful again that we're gonna get these little consolidations, get a little bit of squeezed here, and start getting up, and it starts the bull run. Hopefully USDT is gonna stop being bullish, hopefully. So this is another update for you. This was an important video. If you think so, if you think the same thing that is important, make sure to share it with your friends and comment down below. And thank you so much again for your support in the last video. Please hit the likes, share with your friends, comment down below, and thank you so much for all your support and beautiful comments. And I was just shocked for a lot of the comments I got from people I did not even know. They never commented before, but they cared enough to comment to let me know that they are watching my channel. And that made me really realize that I'm getting some people really watching this channel. I'm just not making it for myself, because honestly, if I want to tell you, I was feeling like I'm just playing in a, as a kid, I'm playing in a play field just by myself. There was no friend for me, you know what I mean? But it's not about that. It's not about the money either. I just wanted to see improvement for my channel. That's what I don't like, when I'm just going straight, straight in life or going down. That's what bothers me. So I was just noticing the same thing about this channel, and I really need your help to push this video to more people by just liking and sharing if you want. Thank you so much for watching. I will be making more videos. I'm gonna start reading more news about Bitcoin, especially in the start of my videos. So if you guys support that, let me know in the comment. I had a couple suggestions about that actually from the commenters that we had. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.